Hey guys, it's Brenda, and this week I'm going to be doing the banana and Sprite challenge. So what we have to do here is just eat 2 bananas and then try to chug down a 2-liter Sprite. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Hell yeah! It's not even Valentine's Day, but I mean, it will be February, like 2 days after I upload this, so. Let me just open this. Oh fuck. It was about to go all the way up. I'm actually kind of nervous because I've never done a challenge before. And yeah, I'm doing it by myself because I don't have friends. Just kidding, but I do have friends, but I don't think anyone want to do it. So I'm gonna get started. Nobody likes me. Nobody fucking likes me. We have came to this. Dude, instead of vomiting, I feel like you're shitting. I seriously feel like I'm gonna end up taking a shit. I just need to take a shit. I need to take a shit. I know it's not Valentine's Day yet, but still. I did the banana and Sprite challenge. I didn't throw up. I'll do some other challenge next time also, just to see if I do end up throwing up. But yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys would like to see on any future video. And yeah, I didn't actually throw up, but I mean, I did burp a lot, which is not ladylike, but I don't give a fuck. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye!